Hey guys, so I'll be going over a live withdrawal process on how to actually cash out money from the Sweatcoin app. And this is going to be more of a solid proof to those who still don't believe that Sweatcoin actually pays. So I just got a notification that I've earned $25 today. You can see the time. Today is Wednesday, 7th December. You can see Wednesday, 7th December. This is 12 p.m. I'm in school and I got the notification. So I want to show you how I'm going to be withdrawing this money. 7th December, that's today's date. So now this is the home page. This is my home page. So today I've walked 4,831 steps already, and I have a balance of 764 sweat points. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to withdraw now. So first thing first, I'm going to come over here where you see this two-head sign. Now I'll click on it. Once it opens, then once it opens, you're going to see, you can see here I have an influencers hub. So it just took me to the influencers hub where I'm at now. It is this hub now that enables me to be able to earn money, earn and withdraw cash from the Sweatcoin app. So you can see here, this is my balance. I've walked a total of 21.778 million steps, and I became an I joined this hub in August 26th. So now you can see here there are rewards available for me. So I have a $10 reward. I also have a $25 reward. You can see awesome job. This reward is available to redeem now. Awesome job for $25. Awesome job. This reward is available to redeem now. So I have two rewards available for me to withdraw, which is $35. So your highest reward, my highest reward for I think the month was $25, and I'm going to be withdrawing an extra $25 again to show you. Now this is the claim reward. I've been able to claim over $55 worth of reward. So let's go into how to withdraw this cash. So I'll click on this $25. So I'll click on it, let it open. Once it opens, you see, so they're going to be deducting 625 sweat coins from my wallet once I accept and continue. So once I accept and continue, we're going to be deducting 625 sweat coins, and they are also going to take the 125 invites I made. So I'll go ahead and click accept and continue. So it's redeemed my invite. Now you can see it's converting it now to cash. So I've gotten cash purchase successful. You can see this is my reward. This is my reward. Let me screenshot this because I'm going to be posting it on my group too as well. Okay, so I've done that. So I've copied my code for withdrawal. Once you get to this point, you have to copy your code. Very, very important to be able to withdraw. So I've copied it. Now they said copy the code and complete the type form below. So congratulations, you've redeemed your invite reward. Once verified, you'll be sent the winnings within 3 business days. So within the next 3 days, I'm going to be getting my cash reward. So I'll click here, copy and go to the type form. So they're going to take me to the type form. Now this is where I have to put in my details to be able to get cash reward from here. So I'm waiting for it to open. So once it opens, you can see, hey, as a Sweatcoin influencer, you've done a great job of making the planet healthier. It's time to redeem your cash reward. It's going to take me 7 minutes to fill the survey. So please enter your code. Remember I copied it. So this is my code. The 1125. Just four codes. So I'll click OK. My email address is required. This is my email address. My phone number. So I'll go ahead and change the country. Let me go down to my country, in Nigeria. Nigeria. Okay, I found it. So this is Nigeria. So I add my phone number. Is already here. Okay. So my Sweatcoin username. This is very very important. So I don't have it now. What I'm going to do, I'll just minimize and go and get it from WhatsApp. So this is a live withdrawal process. You can see I'm making everything as open as possible, making sure you see that this there's no gimmicks and you can actually earn from the Sweatcoin app without stress. Very very easy. So I'll have to still send my coupon code. So this is where I save most of my stuff. So I'll come here. So you can see, this is my link. So I have to go back now so that I will continue the survey. I just hope it returns back to the exact point where I stopped, because the type automatically saves whatever, saves where you stopped. Okay, yeah. So you see some of the stuff I wrote down is still saved here. What is your sweat button? All right. So since this is my Sweatcoin link, what I'll just do is I'll cut out the link and leave my username. Okay, so my link now. Please share your unique. Okay, so I've shared. So my link is here now. It requires my link now. I've done that. My first name, Chidibubi. Then my last name. Then, do you use Instagram to promote Sweatcoin? What is your Instagram username? If you use multiple accounts to promote Sweatcoin, please add all of them. So I use Instagram to promote actually. So I'll just write here Chidi Finance. That's my username. I use it to promote. Do you use TikTok, YouTube? Yes, I do. So I have to proceed now. List all your social media handles. So I'm going to be listing only TikTok because that's the only one I use here. I don't use YouTube actively. I don't use Snapchat actively. So it's here now. This is my TikTok username. So I follow the same pattern. Now please provide